Hello, this video shows how to use the PC playback software. Okay, after install the software, remember that please select the English when install the software. Then this software will be totally English. Okay, now click it. As you can see that the interface is all English. Okay, it can import all the folder here. Okay, you can select by the date or select all the folder here and import here. Okay, and now it will show playback videos. You can select different time, very convenient. And if the MDVR supports GPS recording, it will also show the GPS tracking and speed here, and also speed charts here. And here, zoom. It can zoom and very convenient. Also show full screen and show back to 14. And then here, this is very important. AVI. You can convert the file to AVI files from here and select output. Change and select the file and then click start. It will convert the file to AVI here, to here, the output. Very convenient. The AVI can also have audio if you connect the external microphone here. Very fast to convert. Okay, AVI conversion successfully. Okay, you can also open it. You can see that there are AVI file here, and it can be played back via Windows Media Player directly. Yes, you can see that this is playback via Windows Media Player.